Oh, it's time, Francis. It's time for your Hollywood debut. Look at you. Look at how beautiful you are. Putting all that stuff out there, getting it set up perfectly for our customers, our eBay customers that bought a bunch of stuff, right?
Yeah, I got a lot. Well, a lot of it's already home, but
yeah, but we'll show what we got here. But we have how many items to pull today? A bunch.
A bunch. Whatever's on this page.
Woo, 2
here,
pages.
And that was from yesterday.
Okay. So we're going to pull what we have to pull today. So apparently some of the stuff was pulled yesterday. She tries to stay on top of it, and I'm perfectly fine with that. But we're going to pull some items, and let's get to it. Oh, she found it. I was getting ready to go over here and look for it. Right. We sold this old beat-up Bush can lighter. It sold for like 70 bucks plus shipping. Not too bad. Kind of cool. I like it. It's old. We sold this on Bonanza. I call him the poop monster. So he's about as big as a Bush can. Not too bad. He sold for like 6 bucks. Not too bad. Okay, guys. The next item that I'm picking up while she looks for her item is some Cloud9 Blowout. I paid $2.50. It sold for right around $14 plus shipping. The next item that we sold here is an airplane letter opener. Kind of a cool piece. I believe it sold for right around $10 plus shipping. I just love that. I think that's so cool. Okay, Trippy McTripperson. We sold this BMW hat here. We've got several of those though, and I think we sold it for like what, 10 bucks?
Something like that, yeah.
Something like that. We're not exactly
13.
signed. 13, somewhere in there. Plus shipping on top, not too bad. If anyone watched my video of the VCR destroying my Back to the Future VCR tapes, this is a set of 3 Back to the Future VCR tapes. These were factory sealed. These sold for $40 plus shipping. How cool. That was a neat buy. I paid $2 for that at auction. And then we sold some of the eyeshadow, the infamous eyeshadow, and it sold for like 16 bucks, so not too bad. The next item that we sold here is this Coleman Lantern with this black case. It's actually going to an APO, so that means it's going to have to go through the post office, which kind of sucks because that's a lot more expensive. I'm not sure what it sold for, but I will get back to you on that price. Okay, how much did it sell for, Francis?
That $85 with shipping.
$85 with shipping. And then we sold this RCBS, some kind of cleaner. How much did it sell for?
$19 plus shipping.
Woo! Give me a woo.
Woo!
There you go. There it is right there. Just one. Okay. Old cast iron stirrup. Kind of a cool piece. How much did it sell for?
$23.
Woo!
Woo!
Not too bad. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, the next item that we sold here. I've had these listed for a while. It's a set of these voigt. There we go. Voigt fins. Uh-oh. And there's some by AMF. They're swim fins. I sold them for $20 plus shipping. I'd taken multiple offers at 20 bucks. And I never accepted any of them. And today was this guy's lucky day. I was like, you bought them. Okay, Francis, what do you got there in your hands?
2 different lots of car show plaques.
Plaques? Oh, yeah.
Somebody bought one, and then they later on came back and bought the other
So
one.
we sold 2. I have absolutely almost nothing in them. What do they sell for a piece?
$18 each.
Woo, that's good. Nice.
Woo.
What just went to ching, 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 ching? Oh, yeah, I remember that. I almost threw that away. We'll get that in a minute. Okay, guys, here is the next item that we sold. 50 years of the Happy Goodmans. It's a CD. Do you know how much we sold it for, perhaps?
15.
15? I was going to say like 5. Boy, I was way off. What you got there? Oh, the Speedo.
That is navy and...
A violet
navy
or something?
And lilac or
something like
That's
that.
what it's supposed to be.
There should be a barcode on there, so it should be in the listing. How much did it sell for?
$8.50 plus 7 shipping.
Yeah, we've had those listed for a while. Must be the Olympics. It's the Olympics.
Maybe.
People want to dress up like their favorite swimmer.
And make sure it's the right one.
You better. Oh boy, another cha-ching.
They're gonna hate us tomorrow.
They are definitely gonna hate us.
Post office, yeah.
What was it that just sold?
I don't know.
Oh. I want to show you guys real quick what I have done here. I have started with these bins here. That's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here, I have these smaller bins, which I'm going to try to find some more of. Started with B1 all the way down to like B12. I have a B13, but I haven't brought it down yet. So on my TikTok channel, I've been talking about my inventory. On my YouTube channel, I've talked about my inventory. And this is my solution. I put these items, I'm going to have all these bins marked. And then I'm going to, before I start listing, like I'll pull B8 out and I'll be like, oh, look, it's fairly empty. So I'll take pictures of items and I will mark those as B8. And then I'll bring them down here and stick them in that tote. And then when I list them, I'll put that in the field. You got to be careful because right below the title is the $1.50 line that for like a subtitle, and I've actually did that 3 times. So I spent like what, $3-4.50 on subtitles because I'm an idiot and didn't pay attention. But right below that's another line, like you can put like tote A7, and it actually shows up in the app and it'll tell you right where your bin location is. Who knew? I've been doing eBay for 20 years and I've never had an inventory, so it's all uncharted territory for me. So there we go. What did you pick up here? A couple choke knobs?
Throttle knob and a choke knob.
Nice.
$20
nice.
plus shipping.
I have sold enough in those old car parts that I could have probably bought a truck that, you know, those car parts going to win on. That's been a fantastic buy. Unfortunately, they're going bye-bye, which is fortunate, I guess, because that's how we pay our bills. But what was the last item that went cha-ching?
Some of your Ziploc bags.
Ziploc bags?
Yes. Just zip and steam bags.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
3 of them.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Well. Let's see what I do with those. This is a super secret retail arbitrage buy that I have been buying. There's these Ziploc steaming seals. They're pretty much gone everywhere now. But I picked them up for $3 a piece. $3.30 or something like that. And how much did they sell for?
$40.
They sold for $40 ship. Not too bad. Okay, guys, this is the last item that we sold just a few minutes ago. It was just a wall sconce. Kind of neat. Sold for 20 bucks plus shipping. Kind of cool. Kind of neat. Kind of rad. Kind of rad.